Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxo from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the recipe I use when making crab cakes. This recipe makes 4 nice crab cakes, which is perfect as an entry for two pieces each, or as an appetizer for 4. But you can easily also double the recipe and make 8 if you wish. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. Start by finely chopping half small or a quarter piece of a large yellow onion. Then chop a quarter piece of a red bell pepper. And 2 cloves of garlic. Over medium-high heat, heat up a skillet and add some oil. Then add the onions and peppers and sauté until the onions are nice and translucent. Add the garlic and sauté for a couple more minutes. Then remove from the heat and set it aside. Finely chop about 5 sprigs of parsley. In a large bowl, add half pound of fresh dungeness crab meat. Then add the sautéed onion, pepper and garlic. The chopped parsley, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, the juice of 1 wedge of lemon, about a tablespoon. Season with smoked paprika, a pinch of cayenne pepper, salt and ground black pepper to taste. Then add 1 beaten egg. I like to just beat it in the same bowl. You can beat it in a separate dish if you wish. Add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 2 or 3 tablespoons of Panko breadcrumbs. Mix everything well to combine. Add about half cup of Panko breadcrumbs to a plate. Divide the crab mixture in 4 and using your hands shape it into cakes. Then coat it with the breadcrumbs. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, add enough oil to coat the pan. Add the crab cakes and fry them for 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown. Then flip and cook the other side. I'm serving the crab cakes with some tartar sauce. I'm adding the link on how to make a tartar sauce on the description below. Then I'm adding some lightly pickled red cabbage. The red cabbage is finely sliced and seasoned with rice vinegar and salt. Some finely sliced cucumber. 2 of the crab cakes. And some clear dill pickle chips. I'm leaving the link to the recipe in the description below. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.